This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves.
Can I get disability benefits due to the side effects of my medication? There have been instances where I have seen that happen. But here's where people, let me pause for a second, because I know some people are watching this video and they're going to say, woohoo, potty time. Hey, slow your roll for a hot second. When you're talking about side effects of medication, almost every medication has a side effect. But let me be blunt when I say this. Not every one of them causes it. What does that mean? Well, when they tell you, how many times have you seen those commercials where they tell you taking this medication may cause you to bark like a dog and an eye to grow on your forehead and for you to get another extra leg coming out the side of your backside? We've all seen them. These are just general warnings, because what they're telling you is that in some instances these types of things are happening. So guess what? If you take the medication and common side effects is you bark like a dog, an eye grows on the top of your forehead, and a foot grows out the back of your backside. Guess what? If you don't have a foot coming out the back of your backside, if there's no eye on your forehead, if you're not barking like a dog, you don't have any side effects. So don't sit here and assume that you're going to have them. That's the first thing. Second of all, if you start to notice that you're having some problems, and some of the common ones are dry mouth, dizziness, nausea, some feeling of being lethargic, tell your doctor, because I'm going to tell you, I can't tell you how many times when I've gone into hearings and I've asked them, do you have any side effects of the medication? Oh yeah, they make me tired. And the judge turns to them and says, which ones? Is right. Have you told your doctors? Is right. So if you know that you're having problems with the medication, tell the doctors for two reasons. One, because if the doctors know, they can adjust your medications accordingly. Two, so they can document it. Because there's nothing more powerful than your doctor documenting that you've been displaying side effects from a particular medication. And don't sit there and keep that information to yourself. The fact that you have side effects is something that may affect your ability to do work. If you know normally when you're not taking any medication, you're good, but when you take your medication, you're lethargic and you got to take a nap because you're so exhausted because it knocks you out, tell your doctor that, so the doctor can adjust your medication, and more importantly, your doctor can document in your file that you're having those problems. And this way, if you have to go before Social Security Administration or even before a judge, they have something that documents the side effects from your condition. Trust me when I tell you, that will go a long way for you, as opposed to sitting here and assuming that this medication you have that has 120 side effects, you believe you got